Bonjour, bienvenue à multilinguas.com. Jodia Napalesu Kilelie. We're going to speak today about how to tell the time and how to ask for it. So the first thing you need to know is to say what time is it, and that would be Kile lie. Kile lie. Let's see how to answer that. We're going to learn the clock and how to say each time here. So we're going to start with number 1. Ine. 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 2 would be desde. Desde. We can see number 2 inside the word de. Then we have a Z to link with the next sound, which is a vowel sound. So this E with an accent grave means hour. E. E. To link the sound of the number 2, which ends with a vowel sound, de, I cannot say the e, so I need to put something in between. This comes from French. It's to link one vowel sound with the other. We're going to introduce a z in between. So we say desde. The same with number 3. We say trois, which is the number 3, trois, and then we add the z, and then we add the word hour. Desde, trois, quatre. In this case, I'm going to add an R, quatre, cinq. Here I don't add anything because cinq ends with a consonant. So there is no problem in linking a consonant with a vowel. Cinq, six, six. Number 6 is pronounced sis, and we write it S-I-S, sis. But since I have to add the word e, which is a vowel sound, I have to make a change. When we have an S sound in between two vowels, it's going to turn into a Z. So I'm going to replace the S by the Z. Size, size. Sete, huite, huite. Neve, neve. In this case, I change from an F, from the number 9, nef, I change it. I cannot say nefe. I have to say neve. I put a V in between the two vowels. Neve. Onze, onze. And then for 12 o'clock, I'm going to say midi at noon and minuit at midnight. We're not going to use the number 12. We say minuit at midi. So say for example it is 1:30. We would say une trente, une trente. And that's the way we write it. The number 1, the letter E for hour, and then the number for the minutes. Une trente. I can also say une et demi. Une et demi. It's the same thing. When it is 12 o'clock, I'm going to say midi or minuit. I'm not going to use the number 12. When it is o'clock, I'm going to use the word boule. I can say li huite, and that's enough. It is 8 o'clock. Or I can say li huite boule. Here, for example, I have a regular number, 610. So I can say li six dix. We say the time, the number of the hour, six, and then the minutes, dix. This is a dix. When it is quarter past, I can use the word quinze. Li huite quinze. This follows the same pattern that we just saw, the hour and then the number of the minutes, li huite quinze. Or I can use the word enca, which means a quarter past. Li huite enca. When it is 45, I can just say the number 45, past and the hour. So for example, I'm going to say li neve quarante-cinq. That means it is 9:45. Li neve quarante-cinq. Or I can use the word muenca, which means quarter to. So I'm going to say quarter to 10. That would be li dice mueca. Okay, you have to practice how to tell the time. It's not that difficult, so with practice you will be able to say the time just fine.